'Cause I'm alive doesn't mean I live well. Just means I got back up every time that I fell. I got the scrapes, the cuts and bruises, know the mistakes that it takes. You're a fool if you choose this. What a lovely day. How is everybody? We're looking forward to tonight. I hope you guys don't mind, but tonight Kevin's family gets this whole area. It's going to be roped off. It's mostly for the dog. The dog needs a place to
They're
go.
going to have a mini golf for Kevin's family as well.
Yeah.
That's still not enough.
Gwen, I noticed your child playing some dog bongos in that last song. That was good.
Dog bongo. I want to try
I want to try dog bongos.